do you guys think AI can replace coaches? And he's specifically referring to the business coaching world, and what we do at Guaranteed Prosperity and so forth. Can AI replace that?
If people would deteriorate to a level that AI can replace them, if people will deteriorate, AI can replace coaches.
Mm-hmm.
So if I coach a person that is really, really, really low, not really aware, not really intelligent, not really alive, let me take it to the absurd. If I coach a corpse,
a corpse, a dead body.
A dead body,
yeah,
AI can do that. Okay?
Yeah.
The more the person is alive, the more he needs a live being to coach him.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a point where the person is still, the body is still, the heart is beating, the person is talking, he's eating and doing all kind of other things, but he's not really alive. He's just a machine.
Yeah.
So from that point onward, even a dog you don't need a machine, you don't need an AI. Dog can coach you.
It's funny because you can bring a dog and it'll make the person feel better.
Yeah, even a dog can coach you. So it's really depend on the condition of the person.
Yeah.
Now, if I'll take God,
mm-hmm.
Do you think God can be coached by an AI? No, because God is in the highest level possible.
Right.
He's the creator. And as you descend from the position of creator, you are more and more and more and more open to becoming a robot. And robot can be coached by a robot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So in other words, the dependency of the coaching world, are you saying it relies on people not declining?
Yeah, of course. Because if a person is declining, first of all, the coaches are not doing their job. Our group improve all the time.
Yeah.
And the spiritual condition improve, the ethical condition improve, everything, the financial condition improve. And because that's what the coach do. But if I take any one of my students and I will tell him, let me put you in front of ChatGPT and they will answer your problem.
Mm-hmm.
No way, because because we're not talking about handling a problem, we're talking about creation.
Yeah.
In coaching, I don't talk about handling a problem. You don't need me to handle a problem. The handling of a problem is just look at the problem. You don't need an AI. You just need to look at the problem. Once you know everything about the problem ceases to exist.
Right.
What we're doing in coaching, we're creating. And creation means to bring something out of nothing.
Mm-hmm.
An AI cannot bring something out of nothing because the computer, first of all, the people that write these programs don't really know that. And definitely machines don't know that. They're not able to bring something out of nothing. Only spirits can bring something out of nothing.
Mm-hmm. True.
So we're dealing with creation, not with change.